I just found this brand new app which anyone from anywhere in the world can use it to get free PayPal money, which requires no investment, it works worldwide and it pays through PayPal. Other payment options are also available, but if you want to make this work, you must follow all the steps from this video. If you don't watch this entire video, then I'm sorry, but this will not work for you and you will not make any money. So prove to yourself that you are not lazy to listen 10 minutes tutorial video to and take action. I think it's a lot better to pay close attention to a 10-minute tutorial video that will teach you how to make money from your phone than to waste 10 minutes endlessly scrolling through Instagram feeds, which you will forget as soon as start scrolling further. So pay close attention. But before we start, welcome to Digital Ninja, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a brand new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any questions, concerns or opinions about this video, then don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Here you can see all the different options which you can select, and you can get paid through PayPal, Payeer and ATM, or whatever your payment option you personally prefer. If you like to get paid through PayPal and collect the money, then you can select the PayPal option, and as soon as you have $5 in your account, you can cash out and spend that PayPal money and whatsoever you want to. So right before we start, I want to show you payment proof that it actually works. So as you can see here, all of these people are already making money with this website and they will getting paid almost every couple of minutes. So, and these people are coming from all countries all over the world. So this is definitely a website that pays well and it works really well. So let me explain to you exactly how you can get this for yourself. Step number 1, go over to Google and search for different articles and blog posts that you think people will be interested in reading. Maybe something that's trending articles with strange facts or anything that you can think people will click on. For example, I'm going to search for 10 usual facts about water. I'm not only focusing on one niche, as you can see here. I'm not looking for a specific category like gold, sports or something that will be only appealing to a specific group of people, but actually trying to focus on something that millions would like to know about. For example, 100 amazing water facts you should know, or whatever you think is appealing to a large group of people. You can even select interesting stories or things that many people will be interested in. It can be about movie and movie star, an actor or a YouTube star. I just want to find that article that you think a lot of people will go for. What I want you to do is just right click on it and copy its link. So once you copy the link that opens to the article, that's all you have to do for this step number 1, which has to go over to Google and find an article or a blog post that you think will be appealing to a large group of people and just copy its link. I want to come over to this app called exe.io. Now you can either use this on your smartphone devices, on tablet or your laptop or your computer. I am using my desktop computer, just easier for me to explain to you. Just go over to exe.io. This is a player where you can shorten, share and earn money. You can shorten long URLs, long links, and you can share it with your friends, families and other people, and whenever someone clicks on it, this link that you shortened, you will be get paid. So they don't need to sign up for anything, they don't need to spend any money, and they don't need to buy anything at all. They just need to click and you will get paid. Now that's amazing. You see, it's a lot easier to make someone click on link than to make them sign up or buy something. As you can see, you only need 3 simple steps. First, create an account, and I'm going to show you how to register for free account. Second, I'm going to explain to you exactly how to shorten your links, and third, you will earn money and you will see how it works. Now the reason you are using this app is because they have the highest rates, which means you will get the most amount of money for those clicks. You will get detailed statistics of who's actually clicking on your link, and they also have really nice referral programs. So if you like to share this with your friends and families, or you can find someone that will be interested in making money with exe.io, you can just share your referral link and you will earn 15% of their lifetime earnings, which means you can collect passive income for a lifetime just for referring someone. And if that person makes 1,000, then you will make $150 without lifting a finger. Now I want you to come over to exe.io, click on the sign up button right here. So you can create an account, and you can do so by creating a unique username. Next step is to enter your email address in the box, create a password, then retype your confirmation and agree to the terms and privacy policy, which you can read by clicking on it. So after that, just click on register and you have to create an account in exe.io. Once you make a brand new account there, this is how it's going to look like. As you can see, this is a dashboard where you can track your views, earnings, your referrals earnings, and the average CPM, which is the cost per 1000 clicks that you get from your link. So that's going to vary. Your earnings per click are going to be lower or higher depending on where the clicks is coming from. If it's coming from the top tier countries, then obviously you will be making more money, and if it's coming from developing countries, then your earnings will be lower. That's because whenever someone clicks on your shortened links, they will be redirected to the landing page for the ads, and they will be shown ads, and as soon as they skip those ads, they will be redirected to the link that you originally wanted to go them. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel called Digital Ninja. Now let's get back to the video. So exe.io is just splitting the ad revenue with you, and that's why they have the CPM, and that's why this actually works, and that's why they're actually going to pay you for those clicks. So if you guys ask me if this is a genuine system, because the person that clicks does not need to spend any money at all and they can just skip those ads, exe.io is making money and you're also making money pretty easily. So once you start making money and once you have $3 in your account, you can go over to withdrawal section right here and you can select whatever the payment option you prefer. In this case, I choose PayPal. Just enter your PayPal email address and you can cash out and spend that money on whatever you want to. But before that, you need to start getting those clicks. Once you grab that interesting article from Google, I want you to click and create link right here so you can shorten it. You wanted to shorten that link of that particular article or a blog post which you think many people will click on it and will be interested in reading. This is why I advise you to select the article that will be interested to a large group of people. So just paste that link here and click create right here, and that's going to give you the shorted exe.io link. You can copy that, and whenever someone click on this link, you will get paid. Now you just need people clicking on this link, and to make this work, you want to find people that will be interested in reading that article. So now I'm going to show you two different traffic sources which you can use it to get more those clicks automatically in hands-free, even if you don't have any social media followers. Now our first traffic source is just go over to Hercules.com. This is the platform which will allow us to advertise any link that you want for daily for free. So it gives you one entire email list, and you can send one email list with one click to thousands of people every single day for absolutely free, and there's a good chance that a lot of people them clicking on your link. Once again, each time someone clicks on your link, you will get paid. The second traffic source which you can use not for free, but it will allow you to get more clicks a lot easier. This is a shoutcard.com, and if you sign up for free on shoutcard.com, you will be able to browse all the different influencers on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook and TikTok, and they can advertise your shortened link to hundreds of thousands of people for really low price. For example, you can see that I only selected Instagram and I can advertise for $10. I can promote my shortened link to a 500,000 people out of 500,000 people. If I get at least 5,000 clicks on my link and I'm making $10 for 1,000 clicks, that's my $50. So I just made $40 profit without lifting a finger, because all you have to do is just pay $10 and just give them your link and they will promote it for you, and you can create a snowball effect with this. So if you have $10 to start investing into this, invest into one shout out, and if you start making money of around $50 to $60, just reinvest back some of that money into more shout outs. The more you make, the more shout out you buy, and from bigger pages. Once again, you are creating a snowball effect, and you can buy those shout outs for every single day, and you can get those clicks on a regular daily basis automatically, and you can advertise to millions millions of people with oneshoutcard.com, and you can get hundreds and thousands of clicks on your shortened link just to make sure that those articles and those blog posts which you find on Google are actually appealing and interesting. So a lot of people will click on them. So once again, whenever someone clicks, I make money. So this is a really good and fun way to earn extra money online. So start with Hercules for free and get some clicks and earn money, and just start reinvesting into Shoutcard and try to build some kind of business with this. It's really a good strategy to start making money online, and it's easy since you can do it with just your smartphone. And that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. I will see you in the next video.